Ant bait products work by exploiting ant foraging behavior so poison is carried back and shared until the queen stops laying viable eggs. Ant baiting works best when you match the bait to the species and their preferred food. Use sweet bait for sugar feeders and protein, or fat bait for meat feeders. Observe trails for a few minutes to see what they ignore and what they take. Place small amounts of bait a few inches outside ant hills or along active trails so foragers find it and carry it back to the nest. Give ants uninterrupted access for at least 72 hours and avoid spraying insecticide nearby because that can repel them and prevent transfer. For homemade options, mix 1 part borax with 3 parts sugar and a little warm water to make a syrupy paste, but keep it in shallow, wildlife-safe containers out of reach of pets and children. Commercial granular or gel baits contain delayed-acting active ingredients that allow workers to feed others and the queen before symptoms appear, which is essential for colony collapse. 3 common mistakes are using repellent products at the bait sites, choosing the wrong bait type, and removing bait too soon. If you spray repellents or use fast-kill contact insecticides near the bait, you stop ants from collecting it, so avoid any other treatments for several days around bait placements. Picking the wrong bait makes workers ignore it, so watch what they carry and switch formulas from sweet to protein if you see no uptake in a day. Removing bait too quickly prevents enough transfer to reach the queen, so leave bait undisturbed for at least 72 hours and replace if it is consumed rapidly. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find jobs relevant to their skills, which is useful when ant problems require structural or extensive exterior work. We also host a discussion community where neighbors and professionals share experiences, tips, and product recommendations so we can learn from each other.